Mom, are you okay? Are you okay? I thought we were gonna die. As terrifying as the accident was, it was just as terrifying trying to figure out what my next moves were. Then I found Mr. John DeLoach, and after that, everything just got better.
I've seen some dash cam videos before. This one was like a wow moment because this really showed the dramatic impact that this accident had, not only on the cars involved, but the passengers inside. My main focus at that point was to try to take out any worries that they had about the case, telling them to just go ahead and live their lives like normal and just let me handle everything else for them and try to bring a resolution to the case.
I felt at ease. I felt like this is where I needed to be. At Williams DeLoach, every time I called, I always got an answer. I never had to wait days or hours to get a response.
We're there for our clients at all times, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
I was texting him and calling him. I had his personal cell phone to contact him whenever I needed. To finally get closure, it was like the best day ever. Williams DeLoach, for me, personal attention, exceptional results.